welcome back to another vlog. So I am at Java Fest. So basically this is Sunday, this is last day. I am here just because Yuku is performing, so I'm here to watch her perform. Her performance is at 6:30, but now it's only 5:30, so that's another 1 hour. This event is basically in a smaller scale, so it's a free event, but the crowd is quite good turnaround for it, even if it's small. Like the problem is the location. The location is City Walk, Puchong, and a lot of people, like, I don't think much people prefer to come over this area. I'm not sure if the sound of the music is, you guys can listen to it or not, but yeah, it's quite loud as well. Overall, it's smaller scale. It's a smaller mall event. Even this City Walk, I don't think there's a lot of traction over here. For now, I'm just waiting for Riku's performance. I will come back later.
So, are you guys ready to perform to the next song? Yay! The next song, Omobit. 聴いてください。バスターです by Manic from Fate Stay Night.
Second runner-up, gonna walk away with 250 ringgit cash for the cosplay Sankai competition. Goes to contestant number 10, Jury. The first runner-up for cosplay Sankai competition gonna walk away with 500 ringgit cash. So this round, I like this, personally myself, goes to contestant number 6, Sano Hase. Day 2 of CosFever XL Hall brought to you by Satyawa Mall. Cosplay Sankai competition, the champion gonna walk away with 750 ringgit cash. Goes to contestant number 9, Psycho!
You guys really want Unravel?
No.
Oh, she wants City Pop. Can we follow Riku?
Yeah!
Guys, sing with me, ah! Jangan aja. Come on! Make sure to follow me on my IG, BUNNY_AKIE, Bunny_AKIE, okay? Make sure to follow me, and quick one. Come on, come front, and come on, assistant. Assistant, we have a group photo, okay? Okay, it's okay. Assistant, you can sit back. I have my king here. Come on, come. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. One is freestyle, one is triangle. Okay, stand for here. Okay, freestyle goes 3, 2, 1. Another one, triangle.
Triangle.
3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you. Oh no! Oh! Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay, it is now 6:20. Almost Riku's performance. Currently, Aki is performing. I've already taken some videos and everything, so I'm just going to the back for a while, just an update. Yeah, basically, next is Riku's performance. So let's go.
Fashion. Do you guys know what shirt is this? Yeah, Godzilla, big boy. So who here is son of big boy? Yeah, Rakyat for life. Who hidup rakyat? The most important thing, Tanat, let's see. Amelia. Whoa, double, I feel so honored. Oh, Nani,
Different pose?
Sorry, different pose. What pose you guys want? Ugly pose, come. 3, 2, 1.
Angry pose, okay.
Video?
Video? Last one? Video?
It's a video.
Okay, so what video is it? Rakyat for your life? Okay. Rakyat? Okay, is it? Hidup rakyat? Hidup rakyat lah.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hidup rakyat!
Indonesia Raya! Indonesia Raya!
Okay, that's the end of the event. So basically, I just came for all the performance. So the first performance was, I can't remember the name of the band, but I will need to check the name. And then there's Aki, just Aki. And then it's really cool. So those 3 performances, and yeah, it's just a chill Sunday. Pretty much, I've been here for 2 hours, so I think it's okay. It's a free event, so it is worth the time to just come and then relax, chill and everything. And yeah, I think I leave it at that. If you enjoy the content, hit the subscribe button, like button, and do share this video. Bye.